If you haven't seen these before, you need to check them out. This is a rooftop attachment for solar panels, and it's called the Splice foot from K2. This is not only just an attachment, it's a directed deck attachment, it's a rafter attachment, and it's a rail splice. It is the most versatile rooftop attachment that I have ever used for a couple reasons. Without fail, when you're installing solar panels, your system's going to end up having a break in the rails land right on an attachment, and you end up shifting the entire system or trying to rig something with this. Solves that problem. It can be used as a rail splice. It has 2 slots on the attachment where you can put T-bolts on that will attach to the rail. The other reason why I say it's the most versatile attachment is because it is a directed deck attachment where you have an option of 6 different holes. You'll do 4 holes with a 1/4-inch screw, or you can also use it as a rafter attachment, which you'll be using 2 of those holes with 2 1/4-inch screws into the rafter. It has rubber coating on the bottom of it that comes with the attachment. You just peel off the paper and then put it directly on the deck. The screws are actually twisting into that rubber coating and pulling it into the roof with it and sealing it off for any leaks. A couple things to note if you are going to purchase this product from your supply shop. It does come in 2 sizes. You have the regular, which is this one, and then you have an XL. You also need to know if you are going to be using this as a directed deck attachment, you need to order more screws with it. One last recommendation, if you haven't used butyl, this rubberized coating on the bottom before, make sure to learn about it and learn when it can be applied. It is pretty weather specific where you need to install it during certain conditions. Thank you very much for checking out this product with me. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll have playlists and other videos right here that you can watch on different product reviews like this one.